Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be looking at another Arduino sensor. This sensor is HW-494. This is a touch sensor. So when you touch this transistor here, it will give you an indication that someone has touched it. So basically there are 3 pins here: ground, positive pin, and digital pin DO. There's also an option for analog pin A0, but in this case we'll be using digital pin. So the ground is gray, the positive 5 volts is red, and the signal pin, which is DO, is green color. So this sensor basically uses a transistor called LM393, which is a dual comparator. So it compares 2 voltages. So when there's a change in one of the voltage compared to the reference voltage, it will send out a signal that there's a difference. So let's see how this works. The reference voltage can be changed using this potentiometer. You can make it more sensitive if you want, which I will show you later. So let's wire it up. I'll be using pin 3 for the signal pin. So now let's look at the script. So here we are going to define pin 3 as the touch pin. We are going to start the serial communication at 9600, and then we are going to make the touch pin as input into the Arduino. So now we are going to use digital read. Since we are using D0 from the sensor, we will be using digital read to read whether it is 1 or 0. So now we can print the touch state. Also, with the touch state, we can have our own logic. So example here, if my touch state is 1, we can print out touch detected, and then at every interval of 500 millisecond it will start reading again. So let's see how this works. Sorry, let's plug it in first. Now let's upload the script. So now look at the serial monitor. It is showing 0, and as I touch the transistor, you can see that there's a touch detected, and once I remove, it is 0. So you can increase the sensitivity using this potentiometer. So let's say I want it to be more sensitive. So this is actually less sensitive. So if I were to make it more sensitive, let me go clockwise. Yeah, so as you can see, it is more sensitive now. Yeah, hopefully this video is useful to you. Thank you. Please watch and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.